Welcome to Nikki Fashions. What if the reason yellow doesn't look expensive on you isn't the color at all, but what you're pairing it with? In the next few minutes, I'll show you simple color combinations that instantly transform yellow from loud and tricky into soft, elegant, and effortlessly luxurious. Yellow is one of the hardest colors to style. It can easily look too bright, too casual, or even overwhelming. But when done right, yellow can look incredibly chic, fresh, and expensive. Today, I'm going to show you 5 chic yellow outfit combinations that always work, using simple pieces you likely already own. Let's get started. How to style yellow like a luxury wardrobe. Chic color combinations that always work. LOOK 1. Yellow plus white. Yellow and white is a fresh, radiant combination that feels clean, light, and effortlessly elegant. Yellow adds warmth and brightness, while white softens the overall look, creating a balanced and refined appearance. This pairing works beautifully with simple pieces like a yellow blouse and white trousers or a yellow dress with white accessories. For a more elevated feel, choose soft yellow tones and structured fabrics. Perfect for daytime, summer outfits, and polished, minimal styling. First, we have yellow and white, clean, fresh, and effortlessly elegant. Think of a soft yellow blouse paired with white trousers, or a yellow dress with white sandals. Why it works. White softens yellow and makes it feel lighter, more refined, and less overpowering. Styling tip. Stick to soft shades of yellow, like pastel or butter yellow, for a more elevated look. Perfect for daytime, summer outfits, vacations, and brunch looks. Look 2. Yellow plus camel. Yellow and camel creates a warm, harmonious combination that feels rich and quietly luxurious. Both tones sit in the same warm family, which makes the outfit look cohesive and well-balanced. Yellow adds brightness, while camel grounds the look with depth and sophistication. This pairing works beautifully with pieces like a yellow knit and camel trousers or a yellow blouse under a camel coat. Choose soft, structured fabrics to elevate the look. Perfect for refined everyday and transitional styling. Next is yellow and camel, warm, rich, and quietly luxurious. Imagine a yellow knit with camel trousers, or a yellow top layered under a camel coat. Why it works. Both colors are warm, which creates a seamless, cohesive, and expensive-looking palette. Styling tip. Choose deeper yellows like mustard for fall and winter to keep the look grounded. Perfect for transitional seasons and elevated everyday outfits. Look 3. Yellow plus gray. Yellow and gray is a balanced, modern combination that feels both fresh and sophisticated. Yellow brings brightness and energy, while gray softens and grounds the look, creating a calm, refined contrast. This pairing works well with pieces like a yellow blouse and tailored gray trousers or a yellow sweater with a gray skirt. To keep it polished, choose structured silhouettes and muted yellow tones. Perfect for workwear, minimal outfits, and understated, elegant everyday styling. Now let's talk about yellow and gray, understated and sophisticated. A yellow top with gray trousers, or a yellow sweater paired with a gray skirt. Why it works. Gray tones down the brightness of yellow, making the outfit feel calm and balanced. Styling tip. Go for structured pieces to keep the look polished and not too casual. Perfect for workwear or minimal, modern outfits. Look 4. Yellow plus denim. Yellow and denim creates a perfect mix of bright and relaxed, giving you an effortlessly stylish look. Yellow adds warmth and energy, while denim tones it down, making the outfit feel casual yet put together. This combination works well with simple pieces like a yellow top paired with classic blue jeans or a yellow cardigan layered over denim. For a more polished feel, choose structured denim and clean silhouettes. Ideal for everyday wear, it's easy, modern, and versatile. For a relaxed but stylish option, try yellow and denim. a yellow t-shirt with blue jeans, or a yellow cardigan over a denim outfit. Why it works. Denim grounds yellow and makes it feel more wearable and effortless. Styling tip. Opt for classic denim cuts, straight leg or high-waisted, to keep it elevated. Perfect for casual days, errands, or travel outfits. Look 5. Yellow plus beige, cream. Yellow with beige or cream creates a soft, elegant combination that feels calm and refined. The warmth of yellow blends beautifully with these neutral tones, resulting in a balanced, understated look. Beige and cream help tone down yellow's brightness, making it appear more sophisticated and wearable. This pairing works well with simple, tailored pieces like a yellow blouse and cream trousers or a yellow dress with a beige layer. Perfect for polished, minimal, everyday styling. Finally, we have yellow with beige or cream, soft, feminine, and refined. Think of a yellow blouse with cream trousers, or a yellow skirt paired with a beige knit. Why it works. Neutral tones soften yellow and create a calm, elegant look. Styling tip. Keep everything minimal, clean lines, soft textures, and simple accessories. Perfect for polished everyday outfits and understated luxury looks. Bonus styling tips. Here are a few quick tips to always make yellow look expensive. Avoid neon or overly bright shades. Go for soft or muted tones. Stick to one yellow piece per outfit. Choose structured, well-fitted clothing. Keep accessories minimal and neutral. Yellow doesn't have to feel difficult, it just needs the right balance. Start with one of these combinations and notice how instantly your outfit feels more refined. Tell me in the comments, which yellow combo would you try first? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.